What is it?
A spaceship.
A spaceship?
Zurg's in the spaceship.
Zurg's in the spaceship?
Oh, no, it's not Buzz.
Is that Buzz? Hey, what does your spaceship say?
See that?
Well, you can see it after I'm done. What does your spaceship say? It says psh.
Hi.
Can you talk on your spaceship? Okay, show me how it works. Show me how you talk. Can you do it again? Oh, try again. Very good. Where does Zurg go? Does he go in the prison? Does he go in the jail? He goes in there? Oh. How does it close?
Like this.
Like that? And he gets trapped? Oh.
Bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yes.
Or Zurg is a bad guy?
Sure, the bad guy.
That's right. Buzz is a good guy? Yeah. That's right. Do you like it? Can you say thank you, Grandma Wood? There you go.
I need that.